Elabe kumele unika ubungqina kule komiti kule veki, kodwa le komiti iye yagqiba ekubeni ubungqina bakhe abufuneki okwangoku. Amagqwetha omkhuseli woluntu onqunyanyisiweyo emsebenzini, uBusisiwe Mkhwebane, aye agrogrisa ngokubhenela kwinkundla yamatyala ukuba uMadonsela akabizwa. Kuvele kuba usihlalo wale komiti ubhalele amagqwetha kaMkhwebane ebanika ithuba lokuhlohla imibuzo uMadonsela.
I just wanted formally to say on the record that we accept the proposal as it was made to us, just so that the systems can start functioning. In other words, we'll see you on Monday.
That proposal, we're speaking in codes here now, means that you have a day off tomorrow, but we're back on Monday and Tuesday to conclude Advocate Madonsela.
Kubonakale ingathi amanye amalungu ale komiti adidekile.
What do you mean we're going to conclude Advocate Madonsela?
Come again?
You said on Monday and Tuesday, what are we going to do?
Yesterday we wrote a letter clarifying a lot of the issues of yesterday. And as part of that letter, we then went back and say to them, we're still offering Monday and Tuesday, as we discussed yesterday. And that's a proposal that Advocate Mbofu is saying that they will be taking that up on Monday, and they will lead Advocate Madonsela, and then we conclude that.
Le komiti iqoshelise ubungqina bomphandi ophezulu kule ofisi yomkhuseli woluntu uRodney Mataborhe ngolwesine. Bulelani Philip, SABC News eParlamente.